Anxiety and worrying about the future are real symptoms of everyday life. Stress makes these things worse, but also so does going through the perimenopause and the menopause time, as the estrogen begins to decline and the happy hormone progesterone begins to decline, and it makes it harder to manage and regulate the feelings of worry and the feelings of anxiety. Now, yoga has some really interesting stuff to say about this, and it talks about the idea of trusting ourselves, of letting go of the things that we can't control. Now, this might sound easier said than done, but there's also some great postures and positions that we can put ourselves in and focus on the breath, and that helps us all round to feel less stress, less worry, and less anxiety. For this practice, you could use a bolster and a blanket, and we will get started together. So come onto your hands and your knees, and we'll just start with a few gentle movements to get us into the body and out of the mind. So take a nice big breath in, draw up your belly, reach the back of the head to the tailbone and look up. And as you exhale, take a nice big round through your spine, and we'll go just a couple more times like that. Breathing here as you roll forward and back. Good, just finding a nice little bit of mobility in your back. Maybe adding a few extra movements if that feels nice. And then bringing your knees slightly wide, sit your hips back to your heels, and we'll take a child's pose. Now it might be nice to bring your hands together or make a little fist, and then bring your forehead to rest against your hands. There's a little point in the forehead called a mama point. And when we press down into this point, it can help the body, the brain, feel safe and begin to relax. So take a few more moments here. And then when you're ready, slowly lifting up your head. Bring yourself back onto your hands and knees. Tuck your toes and send your hips high now, coming into a downward facing dog. And we'll give the knees a little bend here from side to side. Let the head and neck feel nice and heavy. And just take a few moments here. So in these positions where the head is below the heart, it has this automatic response of pacifying the nervous system and literally helping us to let go of thoughts of stress, anxiety, of worry. So just take a few more moments here. And then when you're ready, bring yourself back to your knees and now grab your bolster, bring it in between your legs. Take your blanket and we're going to bring the blanket over the back of us. So kind of like a cape here, just to give a nice bit of comfort, a nice bit of support. And then bring yourself around the bolster, and you can either wrap your arms around it or have your hands on the bolster. And again, the forehead wants to be supported. And we'll stay here for a few long breaths. Feeling your whole self now resting. If your mind is running around, chasing thoughts, worrying, and there's feelings of anxiety there, Just notice the parts of the body that you can feel supported. So your tummy here, your chest, your face. And then focus on the movement of the breath. And these are your anchor points. And you can choose to stay here for as long as you like. And then when you're ready to come back, slowly, slowly sitting yourself up and pushing your bolster away, coming back to a nice seated position, and just take a breath or two here. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope the worries, the anxieties are lifted a little, and come back anytime to practice with me here. See you soon.